Welcome to ArthroBit, where you get latest news about what happens in the cryptocurrency space.
What's up, guys? Welcome back again to our Arthro Nation Learning Center, where we give you basic update about and teachings about how to navigate in this crypto space. So, in today's video, if you just join, can you do us a big favor by tapping the subscribe button to our YouTube channel, and can you tap the post notifications to get notified whenever we upload creative content about cryptocurrencies and how to leverage on them. So, today we're going to be talking on how the different type of wallet we've got and how to leverage on them. So, without further ado, let's quickly go deep and see how the market is still staying. So, Bitcoin is still sitting, as at the time of this video, it's still sitting at 21,684, and it's down. It's kind of, the market is bearish right now. So now, straight to the point. Now, we've got different kind of wallet. We've got non-custodian wallet, which is also known as all this um code wallet. We've got code wallet, we've got paper wallet, we've got hardware wallet. Now, this is an example of a non-custodial wallet, which is also known as trust wallet. Um, this is one of the most popular wallet, and also another example is Exodus. This is also a non-custodian wallet. We've also got it's got MetaMask, which is also popular in the NFT space. Sorry about that. MetaMask. It is popular in the NFT space, and other we've got Exodus, and also we've got Tron Link, or I think Tron Link Pro wallet is also a non-custodial wallet basically. So those are the examples of non-custodial wallet. But also we've got a cold wallet. These are example of online wallet. We've got exchange wallet, we've got non-custodial wallet, which is all this. Exchange wallet are the one that you your Binance account, or you don't have access to your seed phrase, and mindful, you don't want to keep your money on an exchange. It's not advisable, because one, not your seed phrase, not your crypto. That's kind of the slang that is going on in the crypto space, because once anything happen to the exchanges, they you you lose your money basically, until they come back going, or come back functioning well. You might And they might not um reward you for you keeping money on the exchange. So that's why it's not realistic or sensible exchange. So always best for you to like keep your money off exchange. Example of this, so this is a exchange wallet. When you receive money, you can buy and sell on the exchange and keep your money there, but you don't own the it is being kept, it is on the exchange. You don't have access to um you have access to your money, but any can happen to the exchange, and you going to be forfeiting the your money basically. So, and we've also got cold wallet, which is a, in terms of it, kind of a flash or other things. Examples is we've got Ledger X, we've got Nano X, Ledger Nano X. So this is how it looks like, secure, and your coin is still on the blockchain, but your seed phrase is saved and your coin is saved on your flash. Okay, so this is kind of creating a link between you and the blockchain. So when you save your money in your cold wallet, it's more visible and it's more realistic. But you don't also want to buy it on in any way, any our place. You want to buy it on the official website, which is ledger.com, and they've got Nano X, they've got Nano, and we've also got other ones. Ledger, I think we've got like four. So we've got like four that has to do with this. You can also do your due diligence basically. So this is kind of an example of a cold wallet, and how you can, all you have to do is input your flash, copy your crypto from your ex from the maybe your non-custodial wallet, copy into the flash, and or copy your seed phrase, then you're going to be moving your crypto basically off the chain. You're going to be moving off the exchange. You don't want to keep your money or you can also keep NFTs on the exchange basically. So um and an example, or we've also got a paper wallet. Paper wallet. Okay. So you using a paper wallet, you can um but the what paper wallet is all about is that it can be destroyed, in the sense that you can create a paper wallet and you you're going to destroy it basically, and water might pour on it and you won't have access to like your wallet again and your seed phrase, and eventually lose your money. So in terms of the more secure one, and the one that is more realistic, is for you to use a non-custodial wallet, which means you have access to your funds, and you won't like do you keep your seed phrase, your 12 phrase. You want to keep it very safe. You don't want to keep it on online. You want to keep it offline, because when you keep it online, it's liable to risk and acts basically. But when you keep it offline, you should also want to keep it well, because once it's lost, it you lose access to your money forever. It's going to be your money's going to be on the blockchain, but you lose access for you to be able to withdraw your money. So that's that about that. So that is all we've got basically on wallet and how to make with in our next video we'll be talking on how to navigate on and how to create a wallet. We just This is just to show you the type of exchange wallet that we've got, and how to know the one that is more visible to you, and more that the one that is according to your own perspective or perception of how you view the space, because the space is new, and you also want to know that security is very important in this space. So until next time, if you have peace out.